Welcome, welcome. This Saturday we're having a sew along, and in preparation I wanted to do this video so that I could explain and show a few little details that are a little bit hard to see. The video, or the sew along this Saturday, is for Toys for Tots. It's our annual fundraiser, and behind the scenes we're all so excited just to be able to do this and have you all join in, so thank you. So with this we're doing 301. It's called Bonita Rosa's top. This pattern is our 10th anniversary pattern for Fit to Stitch, our 10 series. Yay! We're celebrating, but again, I wanted to cover a few little details. So I love this pattern. I did it because I felt like it was so many fabrics that it could be used sleeved, sleeveless, just lots of different ways. The overlay can be a knit, matching. It can be a woven that's in contrast. There's just a bunch of different ways to do this top and make it look different each time you do it. I added a belt. You don't need a belt. I lengthened the top a couple inches so I could wear it with my jeggings, and these are my pull-on skinny jeans that we did in that black fabric. So it's just a really fun outfit. The fabric I'm using is 48.94, and it's a rib. And ribbing right now, for some reason, ribbed knits are very, very popular. I'm seeing them a lot, and they're very expensive. So love this rib knit, and it's just really, really beautiful. So 48.94 is the fabric, whatever the yardage for your size is on the back. But again, let me show you a couple little details. This isn't going to be long and involved, but I wanted to show you. So in this first photo, what we see is when the collar turns back, underneath here is what we're looking at. You can see that there's an understitching. And so this collar is on the inside, it's sewn, and then it's flipped out. It's not a collar, it's an overlay, sorry. But anyway, it's on the inside, and then it's sewn, and then it's flipped out. And so to keep this seam allowance in, which it does beautifully, you want to understitch it. I'll show you how on Saturday, but I just wanted to let you be aware, because you can see the little seam there, and then you can see the understitching, and that understitching is probably like 1/4 of an inch away from the seam. All right, that makes a great difference. What it does is it just holds his neck in place, it doesn't move, and it really makes it great. It really makes it, it's a great tip. And then this next photo we're gonna see is when you're doing rib, and this is just an opinion on this, it can be many different ways. You wanna lay, you're gonna see the rib along the neck edge. So you can see in that photo, the neck edge is not straight, the rib is straight, so it's not gonna be perfect, but you wanna keep the rib going along the neck edge, so that's the angle you wanna choose. And that's for the front. And then in the back, because you have such a small neck edge and it's curved, you can't align that. So you can see the long piece of the back, the overlay, and when you have your pattern, you'll see what I'm saying. That goes along the ribbing, and that makes the side seam very interesting, and it'll give you just a really beautiful overlay. How it hangs. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to kind of go over those few little details. Easy to sew, really easy to sew. I left my edges on this one, I didn't do anything to them because I just felt like I liked them so much better. I left them, didn't finish them at all, and then I didn't finish the sleeves. For me, at the base, I don't like the bottoms not finished. Even when the rest is unfinished, I don't think it gives it necessarily the drape I like, so I did finish the hem on this. But that's it. Other than that, it's easy, it's fun, and we'll see you on Saturday at our sew along. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.